What up, guys? What up, what up? December 20th, 2023 here. Thanks for stopping by Success with Buddy. My name is Buddy Boome. I'm coming to you from the Pacific Northwest, Washington, and you're here because you want to find out how you can get some residual income, mailbox money, and I want to show you guys exactly how to do that. So, if you guys don't know me, I have been quietly making money from home for like 13 years now, quietly from the comfort of my phone and my home. So, without further ado, I want to again, this is my second review video on the new American Bill Money. And American Bill, it's not new, but the residual part of this program, it's actually a new addition. You got a $50 subscription with American Bill Money, and I want to talk about the follow-up program, the process. Without any question, this follow-up system is hands down the best system. I like the way the system works. It has sorry about that, guys. So this is the capture page with American Bill Money. You're going to find that capture page down below here in the link in the description. And I love the way this system works because it continuously follows up with you with the leads, not with you, with the person that fills this form out or wants more information about this opportunity. I'm going to fill this capture page out for training purposes only, to show you guys what happens once you go to that. And you see right here, that's my ID number, 5847. All right, so with just 5 people, referring 5 people, if you know 5 people that are interested in making some money, I mean, who doesn't want more money? You can share this with them. If they don't like it, that's no big deal. Just 5 people, those 5 people do the same thing. Share it with 5 people 3 levels deep. That's an extra $1,500 a month. That's going to be up to over $18,000 per year, and you can do this part-time. You don't need any special skills. You don't need to really do any recruiting. I mean, that part, I do this because I like making YouTube videos, and that's kind of my strength when it comes to this making money from home thing. Is I'm comfortable with doing videos. I don't I don't have a set script out what I'm going to say. I just pick up and I start recording. So this is the sales page with American Bill Money. And guys, gals, whoever's watching this video, be sure to check this page out thoroughly. If you know 10 people, maybe you're already in an opportunity, maybe you have 20 people, you can play around with this calculator. Maybe you know 30 people, maybe you have 50 people that are on board with you. Play around with this calculator. If you get 50 people and they go out and get 50 people, look at that. $1,275,500. Didn't say that right, but that's how much you get if you get 50 people on board and they get 50, three tiers deep. I want you guys to keep in mind, I spoke about this follow-up system. There is a Sizzle hotline here. I just checked out the Sizzle hotline. Most Sizzle hotlines, they give you the information and they hang up and they just tell you to get back to the person. But this follow-up system is phenomenal. You call this 800 number, they have a 6-minute Sizzle hotline that explains how this new American Bill Money, the residual program, works. And then you press 1 to check out the Sizzle line. You press 2 if you want to hear some testimonials and hear about the business. And then you press 3 if you want to find out how to sign up for this opportunity. And you can sign up from any credit card, debit card, or you can even start off by mail on the check or money order, and they'll walk you through the process once you press 3 on here. It's just a $50 starter kit. You're going to get a starter kit in the mail. They're going to send you 50 peel and stick labels, leads, and you can put those on your postcards. You don't get postcards with this opportunity, but you can get postcards for half off or free. They'll tell you how on that starter kit. And be sure to check out the unlimited use to the Sizzle line that you're going to have. It's 1-800-632-0739. Call it up, and just see exactly how this works. And you'll check out the follow-up system. Once you filled out that capture page, I'm going to go to my text messages here. I did the try to find it here, right here. I did training purposes only. I put the call in. That's not my ID number, but this is what it does. I see you're interested in making money. You can do that with our proven system. Find out how to get started. Only $50, and that says ABM, or call the 1-800 the hotline. So that's a really, really powerful follow-up system, guys. So this is called American Bill Money. These are the samples of different options you have for postcards. When you want to order postcards, they're going to have your ID number on there. You're going to get an individualized ID number, and you get access to the generic capture page. I actually upgraded my page to brand myself. And what happens when you upgrade your page is it just it adds your ID on there. Mine's 5847, because I don't want to leave that step out of there. You can walk people through with it and just say, hey, once it says to add my ID number, add 5847. But I'd rather that step be out of the way. That's just me personally. So once you click the link right here and get started, it's already automatically going to be linked to me and has my name on there. And then you just pay $50 for the subscription. That's $50 monthly. You're going to get 50 peel and stick leads. You're going to have access to the generic capture page, and you're going to have access to the free flyer. You can just request a flyer and just print it out. Very simple to get started. This is called American Bill Money. This is the new version of this, where you get residual income. The compensation plan, it's very simple. When you pay that $50, the fast start pay, when you get members to join you at $50, you're going to get $30 fast start pay. And then everybody on your first level, when they start getting people on board with ABM, it's going to be $10 residual on that one. Hello. And then that's going to go for the second tier. No matter how many people your first tier refer, it's going to be $10 on the second level. Second level, how many people they refer, it could be Limitless. You're going to get $10 residual on that one too. So you could very well get 20 people signed up. Your second tier could only get a handful of people. But there's some big chances when people see this new residual program, they're gonna, like people like me, I have been watching this for a while before I decided to join it. I'm a part of a couple of different other postcard opportunities, direct mail opportunities. I sat and watched this one for a while. I watched how the follow-up system worked, and I was quite pleased with how it worked because it was very, very consistent. And I decided to join it once I seen this new residual program for $50. Who can afford $50? And you can do this part-time, a couple hours per week or a couple hours per day, however much time you have extra time to do. And you'll find in the testimonials, there are some people that have made $1 million to $2 million with this opportunity. It's been around it's on its 21st year. ABM's been around. So I just wanted to drop in, do another review video. It is December 20th. We're hitting the end of 2023. Guys, let's make 2024 our best year yet. Click that link in the description. By any chance, my ID number isn't on there, just add the ID number. It's 5847. My name is Buddy Boome, B-U-D-D-Y. First name spelled V-O-O-M-E. Like, boom, kapow. My name has, my last name has a story to it. Why I have a unique name like that. My grandfather was a logger, and I'm Native American. My grandfather was Native American. They could not pronounce his language, so they started calling him Skagit Boome. Skagit is a county that's around here in Washington, and that last name just stuck. So that's how my name was created, and that's why I have such a unique name. That's just for FYI for the people that are wondering. That's a weird last name. So click the link in the description, guys. Gals, people that are interested and want to make money, American Bill money, then click the link in the description. Fill out that capture page. You can sign up any credit cards, debit cards, and or money orders or checks. They'll walk you through how to get started. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My number is going to be in the description also, and as well as my Facebook, it's going to be down below, and my email. Let me know what your thoughts are, my friends. So, American Bill Money, this is my review for end of December 2023. Let's make 2024 our best year yet. This is America's #1 residual program. They've been around on their 21st year. They've outlasted the masses of a lot of other opportunities. So, you guys know what to do. Alright, my friends. See you guys on the next video. God bless. Peace.